Okay, we got iPhone 6 here. It has no power at all. It has been water damage. Customer said they need data from it, and they said if we can fix this phone as well, that would be brilliant. If not, then they need it for data. Normally, heavily water damaged phone I fix only for data. So I just removed the board from that housing. This phone never been opened, so let's see what's the problem with that one. Let me try to hook it with my DC power supply and see what it does. I haven't tried anything on this phone so far, so I don't have any idea what I'm getting into. So let's hook my DC power supply. Okay, if you can see on my DC power supply, it is drawing 2.41 amp straight away as soon as I connected this DC power supply to this board. So that's mean we have short somewhere. So let's see under the microscope what is the condition of this phone. Let me switch you over to the microscope. Okay, we got some corrosion over here. This is a hard point. I was suspecting that one. Let's remove this sticker. We don't have any corrosion under this area, so this is fine. We have some sign of corrosion over here. I suspect there would be some corrosion under this shield, but first thing we need to find out what's the reason. As you can guys see, there's no need to be like in further troubleshooting, because we can see this cap. This cap that is totally burned. There's all corrosion under. So this cap is on VCC main. From let me show you on the XW what it cap is. Okay, so this is iPhone 6. So let me show you. This is the cap. It is C5202_RF. So this is VCC PP_VCC main. This is very common in water damage phone, guys. If you get water damage phone, then straight away you should look for this cap. This is very common in water damage phone, and many other phones, even though I have seen, but in water damage mainly I have seen this one. This is a problem. So as we can see under the scope, let me switch you to the microscope again. This cap is totally corroded, and there is a burn marks. So I am sure this is the only problem for booting purpose. That's why this phone is not booting up. So I know that cap is bad anyway, but I'm gonna just check with the multimeter if that line is shorted, which I am sure 100% that would be. So I don't have on screen multimeter, guys. Well, it doesn't shows me it doesn't read anything on my multimeter here. It says OL, which shouldn't be. So from my experience, this is the problem. Let's remove this cap and then see. I always use this blade technique to remove the caps because for me it is more safe and easy way. Just knock off the cap instead of using heat. Just gonna grab my blade. We're gonna knock off this cap. Okay, cap is off. Let's measure now if we got short or not. My multimeter is still reading it OL, which it shouldn't be. So let's see with the DC power supply again if the short is still there, because sometimes that is dodgy, you know. Multimeter sure does shows dodgy reading because especially mine one, because of these probes. These are not really good probes. Okay, let me move to the test cam. Okay guys, I have connected my DC power supply to this one, and look, 0.00. so that's mean we don't have any short on this phone anymore. So let's try to boot it up and then see if that works. Let me grab the screen for this one, because my probes for this multimeters are really dodgy, so I need to replace it soon. Okay, I'm gonna trigger power for this one. Okay, we have Apple logo. So let's see if this phone fully boots up. I'm gonna do ultrasonic cleaning after that, but customer really needs the data for that phone, from that phone, so they are really now fuzzy about the phone. But I don't think so there is much water on PCB, so we can have this working phone as well. So I'm gonna do ultrasonic cleaning. I'm gonna remove the shields after recovering the data. I'm gonna do ultrasonic cleaning, and hopefully I can send this one as a working phone, because some phones we can't really, you know, fix. They are not economical to fix. Okay, this phone is fully booted up. Let's see if we have touch properly. I have touch, so touch is working. So as you can see, there's a passcode, so we have path to data. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna recover this data, and then after that I'm gonna remove those shields, and then I'm gonna ultrasonic clean this phone, and I'm gonna send this phone as a working phone along with data, so customer can use this phone. That's all for today guys. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you have any comments, any question, you can always ask me in the comments. That's for now. Have a nice holidays.